1976. No investors, no safety net, no guarantee of success. Just a quiet suburban neighborhood in California and a garage that looked like nothing special. But inside that garage, history was being written. Two young men, no suits, no business experience, just belief. And sometimes that's all it takes.
People think computers are for big companies, governments, scientists. But what if they're wrong?
They're not wrong, Steve. That's just how it is.
No, that's how it was. What if every person had their own computer?
That's impossible.
Good. That means no one else is doing it.
One saw limits. The other saw beyond them. They didn't have a factory. They didn't have a team. They had a table and an idea that refused to die.
If I redesign this circuit, we can reduce the cost.
Do it.
But it'll take time.
Then we don't waste a second.
Every wire mattered. Every mistake cost them everything.
Young man, I've seen hundreds of ideas like this.
Then this will be the first one you don't forget.
Why should I trust you?
Because one day, everyone will want this.
How many can you deliver?
50.
They hadn't even built 10.
Steve, we don't have enough parts. We don't have enough time.
We have enough.
No, we don't.
We have us.
Pressure doesn't break you. It reveals who you are. They sold their belongings, took risks no one understood, because they saw something no one else could.
I need those parts today, not tomorrow, today.
That's not possible.
Make it possible.
And then, against all odds, they did it.
You actually delivered.
This is just the beginning.
We really did it.
Orders increased. People noticed. The garage was no longer enough.
We need more space, Steve.
No, we need more vision.
You need structure, control, limits.
Limits kill innovation.
Reality matters.
I don't accept reality. I will improve it.
I just wanted to build something great.
And I want to build something that matters.
That's not the same thing anymore.
Success changes people, and sometimes it separates them.
Steve, the board has made a decision. You're out.
This is my company.
Not anymore.
The creator removed from his own creation. No applause, no spotlight, just silence.
I built this and now it's gone.
But failure, it is not the end. It's the test.
I'm starting again.
While he rebuilt himself, Apple was falling apart.
We need him back.
You made a mistake. Let's fix it.
He didn't come back to survive. He came back to dominate.
Today, we're introducing something revolutionary.
From homes to offices to pockets, Apple was everywhere. Same place, same silence, different story. A garage doesn't look like success. An idea doesn't look powerful. And a beginner doesn't look dangerous. But give it time, give it belief, and it can change the world.